Welcome to this episode of Drone News from Jeff Sibelius and LandandAirPhotos.com. Today, DJI announced a new drone called the DJI Mavic Mini. The Mini looks pretty much like the Mavic Pro, but is obviously much smaller. The big selling point for the Mini is that it weighs 249 grams, including the battery and the media card, bringing it to just under the 250-gram threshold that governments have set as a level for drones that must be regulated. In the U.S., that would mean you would not have to register yourself and post the number on the drone for hobby flying, which is not that big of a deal, and you still must operate the drone within community guidelines. In other countries, this weight may mean the drone can be used in places or ways that larger drones cannot, so the lightweight does have more significance there. I hate to say it, but watch for these countries to drop the threshold down to 200 grams very soon. The Mini features a 1/2.3-inch sensor. It shoots up to 2.7K resolution at 30 frames per second with a 40 megabit per second bitrate. Surprisingly, the Mini features a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, which is great news. There is no way a drone this small and light will be able to handle winds as well as larger drones, and that 3-axis gimbal may help to counteract the movement the winds will cause. For now at least, the controls you have over video settings are minimal. There are no color profiles, no ISO or white balance control while shooting video, but it does have options for exposure value compensation and auto exposure lock. I think there are some controls for still shots, but it still only shoots JPEG stills. This is really a point-and-shoot camera for now, but DJI is known for adding features with firmware updates, so these could be forthcoming. To bring the price and weight down, DJI had to cut a few corners with the Mini. It doesn't use the Go4 app. Instead, it uses a new app called DJI Fly. The new app is a stripped-down version of Go4 and will probably be easier for new pilots to learn. If nothing else, the new app could actually be a good thing if it behaves better with various smartphones than the Go4 app. The Mini doesn't support hand motion controls, no loss there. It doesn't have Active Track, but it does have 4 quick shots: Drone, Helix, Rocket, and Circle. There is no obstacle avoidance on the Mini, but it does have downward sensors to help stability at low levels or indoors. It does not use OcuSync like its big brothers. Instead, it uses enhanced Wi-Fi connection. You shouldn't be flying this drone at long distance anyway, so the Wi-Fi connection will probably do just fine unless you push it. Other than the 2.7K maximum for video resolution, I don't have a problem with any of these shortcuts. The controller is the same size as the controller for the Mavic Air, but it has no LCD screen for telemetry information. It has detachable sticks, and you get an extra set of sticks with the drone. One other thing, the Mini's props must be screwed into the motors rather than applied by hand. DJI gives you a screwdriver and some extra screws, but I still don't like this approach. In truth, though, you probably won't need to change props unless you crash, so it's not that big a deal. DJI claims a flight time of 30 minutes for the Mini and a range of 4 kilometers. The tests I've seen have featured flights lasting 23 minutes or more, so that's a big upgrade from the Spark or the Mavic Air in terms of battery life. As far as range, you'd have to be insane to fly a little drone like this so far away. The Mini is light gray. DJI has gone back to their unfortunate practice of creating drones that you can't see more than 200 feet away. For $15, you can buy a DIY creative kit where you can color a sticker and apply it to the drone. The sticker only goes on the top of the drone, so don't expect it to make your Mini more visible while flying. This is obviously targeted at a younger market, and I bet that will be popular. Expect to see finished stickers with cool designs to be selling on eBay soon. So let's talk money. The DJI Mavic Mini base package includes the drone, remote controller, battery, 1 extra pair of props, a micro USB cable, RC cables from micro USB, USB, and Lightning connections, an extra set of control sticks, 6 extra screws, and a screwdriver for the props, and it costs $399. If you remember, the Spark was priced about the same when it was released, and it didn't include a controller. so DJI has done a tremendous job of bringing this drone to market at a fantastic price. DJI also has a Fly More kit available for $499, and that comes with enough extras to make it worth $100 more. It has everything the base package has and also includes prop cards, two-way battery charging hub, 18-watt USB charger, 2 extra batteries, more extra screws and props, another micro USB cable, and a carrying case that actually has room for the drone, batteries, and the controller. If you figure each battery costs $45 and you get 2 extra batteries in the Fly More combo, basically you're buying the case, prop guards, charging hub, and a lot of extras for only $10. You can't beat that. The Mavic Mini is clearly targeted at the entry-level and younger pilot markets. The lack of obstacle avoidance will trouble some, but that was a necessary sacrifice to keep the weight and price down. The Mini should be a great first drone for people looking to get into this hobby. So why would an experienced operator like me be interested in this drone? Well, the size could be a huge benefit for any photographer. I haul a lot of camera gear with me, so the ability to pack a tiny drone into the camera bag would be a major benefit. I'm planning a trip to Italy next year, and every inch, every ounce of gear I can reduce from my camera bag will be great, as long as the video quality is good and the drone isn't too badly impacted by wind. Maybe I'll take it to Italy with me. Maybe I'll stick with my Evo. We shall just have to see how the Mini performs. Hey, if you're interested in pre-ordering the Mavic Mini, use the link in the description below and get it direct from DJI. That's it for this episode of Drone News. Thank you for watching this video. I set up a Facebook group to make it easier for us to talk and arrange opportunities to fly together. Follow the link in the description below to sign up for the group. On screen you'll find links to more videos on how to fly drones, so please check them out. Before you go, be sure to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to this channel so you know when more videos are released. Thanks for watching.